Okay, 2012, number 6, Maclaurin series. First thing I notice when I look at this is that it is an alternating series. So that's important to notice. When it says ratio test, that means when I do ratio test, I look at that and I make sure that I'm going to start with the limit as n approaches infinity. And when it says interval convergence, I'm thinking interval convergence, and then I always check the endpoints. So that's the first thing I look at. The second thing I look at is that in part B, it tells me it's an alternating series, which I already knew, and I use two non-zero terms to estimate the value for the function at 1/2. It tells you what it equals, which is nice, but not that necessary. So you need to use an alternating series test to find out what the error is bounded by. And so it says less than 1/200. So go back, check your notes, make sure you use the alternating series test. Alternating series error bound, sorry. The next thing I look at in part C is it says do the derivative. So first three non-zero terms, so you do the derivative of this function. And then I did both the derivative of the general term of the original. I also did the derivative of, I also used the term's derivatives to write the other term, write the general term of the derivative, and it came out to be the same way, so it doesn't matter. So I hope that helps.